Laurie here. Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be making my version of the healthiest brownie that you can make. So let's talk through the ingredients. The first ingredient you're going to need are black beans. I got reduced sodium black beans because these are going to be used for brownies. Next we have vanilla extract. You can either use agave syrup or maple syrup. We're going to be using agave today. You're going to need some chocolate protein powder, or you can use vanilla protein powder with some cocoa powder in it to give it that chocolate taste. Chocolate chips, coconut oil, and stevia or whatever sweetener you like.
When I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want time, never mind, just let me know.
Timer.
Okay, 15 minutes, starting now.
Hey Google, stop. Bon appetit. It's really good. It turned out really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. When you make these yourselves, do not forget the baking powder. That's really crucial. I can't believe I almost forgot that. Please subscribe to me on YouTube, hit the notification bell, give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and you can follow me on Instagram at lauriekoehler, Twitter at lauriekoehlerk, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!